Since the introduction of the participation exemption regime, Malta offers major tax advantages and a flexible legal framework for international entrepreneurs. Hello everyone, I'm Misha, and today we're talking about how to open a holding company in Malta. Here, a holding company can be registered as either a private limited liability company or a public limited liability company. Holding companies are usually created to own share or assets in other companies, whether those companies are based in Malta or abroad. Now let's look at a few quick facts. The incorporation process usually takes about 2 weeks, and you only need one shareholder to set it up. The minimum share capital is 1,200 euros for a private company and 46,000 euros for a public one. You must have registered office in Malta, but there is no requirement for a local director. Accounting and annual returns are mandatory and electronic signatures are accepted. Now let's go through the incorporation steps. First, you'll need to choose a company name and make sure it's unique and approved by the Maltese Registrar of Companies. Then you'll prepare the memorandum and articles of association. You'll also need to appoint at least one director and a company secretary. Next, you'll need to open a bank account in Malta to deposit the share capital. After that, you can submit the incorporation documents. Once the company is registered, you'll need to register for taxes and obtain a tax identification number. And if your holding company will engage in economic activities, you'll also register for VAT. Now, let's talk about the part that makes Malta especially attractive: taxation. Malta's holding company regime is one of the most competitive in the European Union. Under the participation exemption, dividends and capital gain derived from qualifying holdings are exempt from tax. This means that profits from subsidiaries abroad can be distributed tax-free. Additionally, interest and royalties paid to foreign shareholders are not subject to withholding tax. Another advantage is privacy. The details of shareholders and directors are not publicly available, offering a high level of confidentiality for investors. This was a quick overview of how to open a holding company in Malta. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website. You can find it in the top right corner of this video. And if you'd like help setting up your company, our specialists are ready to assist you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.